Corey, Aaron.
We'll go outside.
Ready?
Outside? Yeah.
Yeah.
Video montage. Door opening, walking down hallway, elevator, walking outside, climbing stairs, walking down snowy residential sidewalk.
Welcome back, everybody. First vlog of 2025. We're out and about, getting our exercise. We're going to show you how we designed what we think is the perfect exercise route for a guide dog. I think we can all relate to New Year's resolutions. The gyms are packed. This is our gymnasium right out here. Hill climb. Ready?
I'm ready. Aaron's perspective. Forley leading, walking up hilly residential sidewalk. Ground perspective. Melissa and Aaron walk together. Overhead perspective. Forley to Melissa and Aaron walking down sidewalk.
It's a little slick, just be careful. There's a lot of slush.
And now we're going back down the hill on the other side.
All that energy to go up it, back down. And going along with the theme of what makes a good exercise route for a guide dog, we have some pulls the dogs have to go around. Think small slalom course.
Aaron's perspective. Forley leading, weaving around large poles in the middle of the sidewalk. Sun feels so nice. Last weekend it was bitterly cold. We did not want to film. It was hard to exercise. We are glad to be enjoying it now.
What do you guys think? Aaron, staring off into space. Forley.
Ground perspective. Jake and Forley walk together. Overhead perspective. Forley to Melissa and Aaron walking down sidewalk. Ground perspective. Melissa and Aaron walk toward camera. Full body perspective. Melissa and Aaron walk down city sidewalk.
And no engaging exercise route wouldn't be complete without some city work.
Forley's perspective. Walking next to Aaron along city sidewalk. Forley's perspective. Aaron leading, crossing street. Thank you for joining us on our exercise route. Hopefully you found some inspiration in that, whether you're working on a New Year's resolution or just looking for something fun to do to get out and about in this cold weather.
Happy 2025! Now this is a post-workout routine. Chewing on bones, hanging out on beds.